My name is Michael Giannichini, and I'm the owner and operator of Caliber Cabinets Incorporated. We're located in Livermore at 5640 La Ribera Street, and we provide custom cabinetry for every room of the house. Caliber Cabinets has been in business now for 17 years, and we're still going strong. We're still building our team, and we're still building our network of people that we like to work with. There's a lot of options with cabinetry these days, so you really got to get yourself educated before you pull the trigger on investing in something like that. Most of the time, I like to just have people come and look and see things and educate them on what they're investing in, especially with custom cabinetry, because there's so many different options, so many different accessories, finishes, door styles, even the hardware that goes on it. It all makes a big difference. And when you're buying something, you want to buy something that's quality, that's going to last 30, 40 years. Versus something that's going to start falling apart in 7 to 10 years. We're making sure it's eco-friendly and it's harvested responsibly. A lot of the stuff coming from overseas is just clear cut, and they don't replant, they don't rejuvenate, they just cut down and sell for a cheap price, and that's it. So how did I get to this point in my life? It really started out because my mom and dad had 5 kids, and my mom could really only handle 2 at a time. So we used to go to work with my dad, and he started a cabinet shop in 1984. So I continued to work with my dad for about 15 years, and then unfortunately he passed away in 2011. And at that time, I had the opportunity, because we owned the building, we owned the machinery, we had supplies on hand, and we had labor there as well. I was able to go ahead and continue the family business, but I did it in a way that was different by going from track homes into custom cabinetry. If you think about it, anything you make out of wood, we can make into a cabinet. So we got your bathroom vanities, we got your office, your kitchens, obviously, but the kitchen and the bath are the biggest ones. But then you also run into the living room where you're going to be entertaining and sitting down watching TV every night. We do the fireplace areas, the fireplace mantles. We'll get into those as well. So any room of the house that you figure you want some kind of a storage, or you want some place to sit down or entertain, we can do that for you. At the end of the day, when we deliver a product, we want it to be 100% accurate, 100% good to go. And then when we install it, we always cover it at the end of the day. And that way it allows the customers a little bit more of a peace of mind in case the other trades come in, that their cabinets aren't going to get damaged. So we'd love to have you come down to the shop, take a look at the showroom and see what your options are. And then from there, we'll show you our processing area downstairs where we cut material, assemble material, paint material, and get it prepped for installation. And would also like to have you come check us out on our website at calibercabinetshop.com, or you can call me personally on my cell phone, 510-409-3328. So I'd love to meet you face to face.